How to edit PDF file in laptop. To edit a PDF file on your laptop, you have several options depending on softwares you are available. So below are some of the effective methods which I'm going to show you. Very first thing is start using Microsoft Word. Now one of the simplest way to edit our PDF is through Microsoft Word. But sometimes it doesn't work. So you have to just right click on it, click on open with, and here you will get a lot of option here. Right now here you can just double click on it and it will open on your browser, but here there is no option to edit this out. But usually in the Microsoft this new browser it's available. For example, I can just go and put it like this, right? And I can put this kind of eraser or something, right? And I can also add a text here, right? So for example, I want to add it like so. In this way I can do so. And here we also have an AI system here, AI Ask Copilot, which is taken from ChatGPT. And here I can just ask it what it is, and it will give me a proper answer from the PDF. Right. So here the very first thing is that we can do so, but we can also use Adobe Acrobat Pro, which is a software. So let me show you Adobe Acrobat Pro, because it will give you a complete option to edit your PDF. But there's also free versions too. For example, you can see here you can do anything, signatures, protected, and you can do whatever with your PDF, right? So you can also do this, but it's not in the editor mode if you get the free one. But there's a different website to edit PDF online, and there are several websites which can help you with it. For example, this one. So if I just go and click on it, it will open up. Right now here we have to upload our PDF. So this was the PDF. Let's open it up. It will just take a few seconds, right? And let's wait here. Now here let's go and click on close this, and now we will get this complete option to edit this out, right? So you can see here, just like Microsoft Word here, for example, to use the pointer, it will also give you a tutorial how you can do so, right? So for example, this is a pointer, right? And I can select this up, and I can also remove this up, right? For example, replace text. So for example, I can replace this text here, right? I don't want this water, I want to write here one, so I can just do so, right? And this is really interesting, and it doesn't look like that it has been edited, right? So this is how you can do so. It's completely free, and once you have done the changes, just go and click on convert, and you will get your PDF back for completely free. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.